friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE. And guys, can you believe next week is Christmas? Like what? Where did the year go? I'm like, oh my gosh. It was just like November 1st. I was putting up my Christmas decorations, listening to Christmas music, and all of a sudden here we are. Christmas is next week. Can you believe it? So if you guys missed my Christmas decorating videos, I will leave a link in the description box below as well as in the iCards above, so you can go check those out to get in the holiday festive spirit. I'm sure you all have completed your holiday decorating by now, but if you're like me, you like looking at other people's homes to see how they decorated for the holiday, to get inspiration for the next year. So make sure you go check those out. I am sure you will see something that you will like and may want to incorporate into your home for the holiday next year. However, in today's video, I thought I would take you along with me as I go thrift shopping. Guys, we haven't gone thrifting in a long time, and you guys know I love thrifting. And so I have been trying not to buy anything that I really don't need for my home, because it's easy for me to go to the thrift store, see something at a really affordable price, pick it up, bring it home, and never use it. So I want to be more intentional in my thrift shopping. So today we are going and we are hunting for some specific items. So spring is just around the corner, even though Christmas is next week. I am also thinking about how I want my home to look and feel for winter and spring. So I want to bring in some overly large planters. I have watched the House of Valentina, which I know you guys have watched as well, and she does some awesome things with oversized planters in her home, and I thought, you know what, I really like that idea. However, I don't want to spend that much money, so I want to go out and see if I can buy some budget-friendly, oversized, affordable planters on a budget. So that's what we're on the hunt for today. I'm going to take you with me. If you're interested to see what I find, make sure you keep watching. We're back at my favorite place for thrift shopping, and it's a local flea market. So we're on the hunt today for some inexpensive planters that we can use for the upcoming winter and spring holidays. So let's go in and see what we can find. guys, so I hope you enjoy that little thrift store shop with me. That is one of my favorite places to shop for inexpensive home decor because everything is so cheap. I hate to say cheap, but it's so cheap. And I can sometimes find some really nice high quality things. So let's get started. So you guys, I told you I was on the hunt for some planters for the upcoming winter and holiday season. I wanted to try to mimic some of the things that I saw in the House of Valentina's Christmas home tour for this year, and I'll put up a few photos here. And so one of the things that I really love that she has in her home was this really big round spiky planter. Well, I looked up that planter and it was like $285, way too pricey and way out of my budget, but I wanted to try to create that same look and feel. Well, I looked up on this item at the Goodwill. Look at it. It's, or not the Goodwill, at the thrift store. It's brown and ugly, but I saw the potential. I'm thinking I can take this, paint it, and it would give me that similar look for less. You guys know I love going for the look for less, and I will put up a photo here of how that DIY turned out. I absolutely love it. The plant came from Threshold. I did buy that. She did feature that in one of her videos. I absolutely love the way that looked. So I picked it up. It was $25, but if you spent $50, you got $10 off. So I bought two. One for my kitchen, one for my lounge, which made them $40. So the planter itself was $7.99. So for $27, I get a similar look for less, and I'm very happy with it. Absolutely love it. And the next thing I saw, she had a not mercury glass, a shiny metal, a ceramic silver pot. And so I thought that was so pretty. And look what I found. I found this pot, similar in size. Hers had had a little more detail in it, but I thought for the price, this was $2. I don't know if you can see that. It was $2 for this planter. Again, similar in size and look. It will give me that same luxe look for less, but for a lot less money. So I picked this up at $2. I also found these planters, and they look like this. This is the first. It was two for $4.99, and I have the big one and the little one. So for $2.50, I thought these were a perfect find. So I had to pick these up, and they will be perfect styling my home for winter and spring. So guys, you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money to make your home look expensive. I love the House of Valentina. I love the things she has in her home, but I can never afford that. So I try to recreate the look for less. And I think I did pretty well with the things I found today. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the things I picked up, and did I achieve or get the look for less? I think I did. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. So the last thing I want to show you, I have an aunt who is moving into a new home. She loves my floral arrangements, and so I wanted to create a floral arrangement for her, but again, all on a budget. So while I was out, I found this clear glass vase. It was $1, if you can see there. And I always tell you guys, when you're out thrifting, always pick these up. So we are going to clean this up along with everything else that I picked up, and we are going to be using these items in my home for fall and spring. Or not fall, winter and spring. Gosh, guys, my brain is not functioning today. But anyway, I'm going to take this, wash it up, and I am going to make her a floral arrangement for her home. So I have done many DIY floral arrangements on my channel. I will leave links for them down below using flowers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So if you are interested and you want to know what type of floral arrangement I am going to create for her, or if you would like to see a video on that, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I'll be more than happy to film that as I put it together. So one more thing I found these. Again, this is not my color typically, but look guys, it's little gold acorns and pine cones. I thought it would be perfect for the fall season next year. They came from, it looks like the at-home store. They were $7.99, and I picked them up unopened for, you guessed it, $1. And I got not one, but two and three. $3 when they were originally $7.99 a piece. I couldn't leave them in the store. So that is everything I picked up. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed coming along with me thrifting. If you enjoy thrifting videos and you would like to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I want to thank you guys oh so much for all your love and support, your kind words, your encouragement throughout the year. The year is winding down, and I have a lot of new content coming up for 2022 that I think you are going to enjoy. So I hope you hit the subscribe button, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family, and I will see you in the next one.